How to upload photos to Google Drive and create a Google link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can upload photos in Google Drive and create a Google link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To upload photos to Google Drive, which could be in one particular single folder or in a whole or a single file or a single folder itself, you can tap the new option from the Google Drive app. You can choose a folder that you want to upload, or you can tap the upload option here and then select, let's say, a certain photo that you would like to download. Go ahead and upload here. Now once it finishes uploading that certain file, you can create a link that you can share with others. Now for this, you can just go to the Recents tab here. And when you go to the Recents tab, you should be able to see a list of files that you have happened to upload over here. So let us also go ahead and then check it. So here you have a certain photo that maybe you uploaded to Google Drive. Now you want to create a Google link. For this, you have to make this accessible to anybody. So you can tap the three dots option, go to Manage Access, and then set this to anyone with the link. So you can see currently it's set to restricted, only people with the link, but I can set this to anyone with the link, and then I can just copy the link here, and whoever has this link, they will be able to open it up and then view this particular file, and then they will be able to download or do whatever I allow them to do. This way you should be able to upload photos to Google Drive and create a Google link. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.